titmouse. I think the two on the left are the boys, and the one on the right is a girl, I think. Just judging by how much blue and the shades of blue. And the two brighter ones often are together. Oh, but then I got Chunk. Oh, I don't know who that was. I can't see. Oh, there's Daddy. I've got Chunk on the fence right there, and he's hurt. See how he's sitting? He's just kind of laying there. He's got a bum foot. We love our Chunk, but Phoebe still chases him off. Come on, Gene. Love you, Chunk.